You want to make some money fast, you look for an easy way, aka online, and you don't want to take any risk. I have found a way, but of course that has some disappointing disadvantages too. Hi, my name is Edda and it's so great to have you here. Trying out several online jobs is part of my experience how to become rich in 10 years. And so far there's only one online job I have made some money with, fast, almost effortless, without any risk, and legal. It's time to let the cat out of the bag. I'm talking about selling stuff I don't need anymore on eBay. Let's start with the disappointing disadvantages of this online job. First, you need stuff to sell, even this can be an advantage too. The worst disadvantage is certainly the low revenue. You have bought the stuff for more and probably you won't get rich this way. That might be different if you want to create a dropship business, but that's not for me. No rule without exception. Wait for a short story at the end of the video how a friend of mine has increased his profit a little bit. Another disadvantage, at least for me, selling stuff on eBay hasn't such a big fun factor. And the last disadvantage, it's not scalable. Scalable means you can increase a business. Some people pay ghostwriters and designers and then publish a book and sell it with profit. If they increase the numbers of ghostwriters and designers, they can increase their profit. Of course, something like that is not possible selling stuff on eBay. Before speaking about the advantages, I would like to share a misconception I have had. I have thought selling stuff on eBay would be kind of complicated. I have been worried to publish my phone number and my email address, getting a lot of phone calls and spam. In fact, you don't have to add your phone number and your email address is not published. The messages are sent to eBay and eBay redirects them to you or to your buyer. It's like exchanging normal emails or WhatsApp messages if you have installed the eBay app. Now let's come to the advantages. There isn't any risk at all. You don't have to invest money and you have to invest hardly any time. The worst thing that can happen is you don't sell the stuff. So far I haven't sold a very old cheap digital camera which I would like to give away for free, but not even for free, someone is interested. And 2 pairs of extension mirrors for the car when hooking up a caravan. These mirrors are very specific for certain types of cars, so I think that's why they haven't sold. The second advantage, it is fast. By now I have sold a bike rack within few hours, a car cover within 5 days, and even a very old cell phone, it's not even a smartphone, within 4 weeks. The bike rack went away for 50 euros. The car cover went away for 5 euros. I have asked for 10. And the cell phone went away for 10 euros. So all together I have made 65 euros so far. Again, it is very easy, almost effortless. It is legal and I get rid of cluster. I'm that kind of person who cannot throw away anything at all. It is much easier for me to give away things if I assume people see some value in it and they can still use it. If people bother searching for something on eBay, give a little money for it and pick it up somewhere, I assume they see some value in it and probably it's useful for them. So here comes the little story of a friend of mine who has bought a bike on eBay for 10 euros. After a week, I don't know why, he has sold the bike on eBay for 100 euros. I don't think he planned to resell it that fast because he got another bike for €50, but it was a nice way to make some profit. Of course, you could try to do something like that on purpose. But I assume then the effort would increase a little bit as well as the risk. I think it could make sense if you need something for a short period of time. So instead of borrowing something. However, I haven't tried out it yet. So now it's up to you to do your good deed for the day and support a new YouTube channel by pressing the thumbs up button and maybe even subscribe. Here you find 2 more of my videos. I hope you like them and have a nice day and see you soon.